I just want to show you guys my flowers. Ooh, they're so pretty. I'm gonna take these things off because one of my friends told me that if you take these little seeds off, it makes them last longer. Also, it doesn't make a mess. These hoes get everywhere. And then it stains my dresser. It just, yeah, we're not doing all that. I'm gonna put the flower food in the cup. I stepped on a rock and it hurt really bad. My camera messed up again. So I have to redo the whole footage of what I just said, okay? We're going to Butterfly Pavilion. I don't know why today. I just felt like I needed to be there and see my species. He's coughing. Corona. Oh, the Atlantis moth.
Atlas.
Oh, the Atlas moth. And then we got the monarch. I don't know, but there's some really pretty girls in here today. Oh yeah. I don't like the bugs. It's me and Corey.
Which toes you are?
That's cute. That's so nasty. There's a lot of kids in here. It feels like sandpaper. I thought it was gonna be all soft and cute. No, it's like sandpaper. There's too many people here. There ain't no stingrays and I'm sad. I'm upset. I love me a stingray. I'm about to look up how much a stingray is. I feel like the tank is what's gonna be most expensive, right? Oh yeah, these ones are so I literally told my mom, I was like, I want to go to the Butterfly Pavilion because I want to be in the humidity. I need it. I love it. I want it. Got me a little globe. I feel like this is actually my first globe because I don't think I have like a glass one. I got the ones from San Diego, but I've never had a glass one, so he really trusts me. Dang, that sun is bright. We got a Lucky Charm shake. She looks cute, but like it's probably just a regular strawberry shake, to be honest. Oh, cheers. Yeah, it's just a regular strawberry shake. There's a bug. It's good though. But he wants to take pictures of me, so I gotta be cute. You guys have barbecue?
We got spicy.
Yeah, can I get some of that?
It's 56.
Oh, it's okay then. Yum yum. Like, what is that? How am I supposed to eat this? You got extra hot. I got light mild. I don't need no heat to mine. What up? Good morning, everybody. It is 8:15. We are actually getting ready to go on a hike. It's low-key my first hike. First of all, I thought I was going on a whole different trail into like this clear blue water, and come to find out we're not. So, which is probably better, honestly. I don't even know how to say this trail, but it's called like Chatatao, I don't know. Anyways, I have the directions pulled up right now and it says we're gonna get there at 8:50. It's 35 minutes away. I'll probably see you guys in the car whenever we're on our way. I think I could take for yeah. Alright guys, it's 10:02. Me and Corey are already tired. Yeah, I have to pee. I'm gonna pee my pants. Yeah, the view is already so pretty, but it is hot out here. Hello?
Are you wearing a black shirt?
Yeah. Wait, where are you?
I see you. I'm up here.
Look at that boulder. That's a nice boulder. Sun's coming out. That's gonna make it hot.
How's it going?
I don't know if he was talking to me or not, but I got antisocial. I didn't talk to that guy. I didn't have the breath to say, I'm out of breath. I just smile and wave. Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. He's probably not even halfway home. Here we go, this is the rocky part. Out of breath. It's not too much. It's just enough. Hey! Look at him wearing my pink backpack. Aw.
I've always been a fan. Yeah.
That girl was going down with no shoes on. She's a real, I don't know, mountain climber.
One with nature.
One with nature. For real. No shoes on is crazy. Oh, wow.
Get it.
Hey, little buddy. Oh, you dropped my phone, huh? Out of all the phones to drop, it's mine.
You need a new screen protector.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Yeah, me too.
I need a fart really bad, but there's a lot of people behind us and I don't want to blow them out of the water. Anyways, carry on. Shit. It is super hot. Hey. We are up, y'all, up. Oh, cute. Seeing ladybugs all day. Pretty. Huh?
They're evil.
No, they're not.
They eat each other.
What? Gee, way to kill it.
Okay. Sure.
Cute. Let me get closer. Hey, Shotty. Oh, a heart. Why is it delaying? Booty. On fresh air. Okay, let's go. Alright, we're on the downhill now. I feel like the downhill is low-key harder than the uphill. My knees hurt. It is 12:18. I feel like if we ran down it would be better. We're running. She's a runner, she's a track star. I made it. I made it. Oh, it's hot. My cankles hurt. I probably have shin splints. And my knees, we don't got mega knees around here, but I'm gonna build them up to mega knees. It's 12:23. We did it. It wasn't too bad, honestly. It was nice. 10 out of 10 recommend. Would do it again. Let's see how many steps we have. 6,374. I feel like I had so many more steps than that. Downhill is literally what just killed my knees and my legs. I wasn't even sore before. Woo! I had to get in the sports bra. Good thing I even put one on. Bless you. It's 12:32 and we're about to go and eat. Whew, it's hot.
2 cars behind us got parking tickets.
Yeah, the 2 cars behind us got parking tickets, but we didn't. Doesn't make no sense.
The third one behind us, they got one up there too.
And we're the only ones that didn't. But we had like the sun visor thing up, so he thinks that maybe they thought that we live here. It doesn't even say to pay for parking, so that don't make no sense. Anyways, it was a great hike. We will see you guys at the restaurant. I'm sweaty, I'm sticky, I'm nasty. Gross. This is how I look whenever I was sunburned. You're okay. Can I do the cinnamon roll French toast? Can I do the chimmy pollo? Let's do half and half. I haven't seen you guys, I think, since yesterday whenever we got back from the hike. Last night we went to the pool and everybody was at the pool and I didn't record. I was living in the moment because I don't know why I didn't record. It was actually really cute. All of us were just kikiing in the pool. We had my little brother and my mom came. I got a little sunburn. Well, I don't think it's like really burned though. Like I am a little red, but not like burnt, you know? We're hungry and now it's time to eat. Our favorite place is literally East Moon. Yeah, I got the lychee martini and he got what?
Pomegranate.
Oh yeah, the pomegranate one. I never had lychee and I don't know what this looks like, but it looks like one of those drinks off of Shrek that he literally has an eyeball in his drink. That's what it looks that's what it looks like.
You gotta eat it.
Ooh, that is little. That is little.
Yours is nothing compared to mine. Yeah, you feel it, huh?
Okay, I'm gonna try this.
Smallest bite ever.
Yeah, it tastes like what you put in the boba. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she looks scrumptious. Now do yours. Which one is your fortune?
Well, your right hand has 3 rings. Your left one doesn't. Your left one's missing the right ring. Pick a number.
Hey. Oh.
Wrinkles should merely indicate where smiles have been.
You don't know. You wanna know what mine says?
I don't know, are you gonna be able to read it out loud?
My fortune says the man who has no The man who has no The man who has no imagination has no wings. So his fortune is talking about me because I'm the one that has wrinkles from my smile and always laughing. And then mine is about him because he doesn't have any imagination.
I still got wings like Red Bull, let's fly. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things I'm getting into. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now.
Like I just read
On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang, right?
mystery shop.
Oh, don't do it. He's so gay.
Oh, I knew Steve come out.
Yeah, that's what you get.
All of my hoes get face, she faith. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and I raised. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas better like me, had to switch up my phrase. And I'm sitting outside till the foul get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm trying to leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah, you tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get
Like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed.
They did not even let me choose.
Caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hung and let the watch give off the neons. When
That's how you move it like a piano. Round 2 and pickle shots.
I